My name is Harry Dresden, Open the door. This is my neighborhood. Open the door.
I'm sorry, but can you hold on a minute?
No. I will end you. Hi there, can you open this door, please?
Hey, what made you come here tonight?
I just want to make sure that everything's okay. There seems to be
No?
going on. I don't know, I just figured I'd check on something.
But what the hell?
That's really nice, but...
Open this fucking door. Where's your daughter, man? Where's your daughter, man? Where's your daughter? Who's in there with you? Open this door, I'm breaking it down. You understand me?
Well, actually...
Are you okay? My name is Harry Dresden. Now, I will end you. Do you understand me? You open the door?
Just go home. Just let's go. Don't do this. Go home. Go home! Go home. Just go home. Go home. Go home. Go home. Go home. Just go home. Go home! Go home! Go home! Go home! Go home! Go home! Get out of here! Go on!